Hello, welcome to Nerf Nerd Productions. Otis here again. Today, we got a package. What's in a package? Let's find out. Okay, so we have tight end worker boxes, always fun. Okay, so we have 14 kilogram spring for long shot, nice. Nice beefy spring. Wow, that thing has a lot of compression on it. And you might be, I don't know if you can see or not, but right there it also has a beefed up retention spring. Nice. What do we have here? I don't know, it's a box. Open the box. It doesn't say. It looks like it's a hammer shot. And if I remember correctly, that is a 7 kilogram spring for the hammer shot. Which means this is probably the same thing. Nope. This would be, I believe, the Retaliator. Oh, upgrade spring for Retaliator. I'm going to use that on Recon Mark II. And this one says 9 kilograms. Yeah, that one, okay. 9 kilograms. I believe that is for strong arm. Worker, please label the boxes. Okay, so I think this one is, yeah, I think that is the strong arm, and I think that this one is for Recon. Retaliator / Recon. Same internal, as long as you use them Mark II. There's some white lithium grease there. Some upgraded internals, new catch spring, new O-ring, all sorts of leather parts. Nice. Of course, Worker makes nice products, get that nice packaging. Titan, however, I'm a little disappointed in the box, a little bit flimsy. But we're not using the box, so that's what we really care about. And that is really one beefy spring. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is really tight. Oh wow. That should really upgrade the performance on the long shot. So that's been my spring upgrade unboxing. All these I got from Monkey Mods. Monkey Mods is awesome. I'll try and link the hyperlink to buy from Monkey Mods down below. They have stuff from Worker, from Titan, pretty much everybody you can think of, all on that one site. Great website, great company. Takes a while. No, I am not endorsed by them at all, just like their products. Thank you, see you again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share on YouTube, DTube, Patreon, also on Facebook, all under Nerf Nerd Productions. Have fun.